As you can see by the gingerbread house that I completely made by myself with absolutely no help. No help. What's... Stop giving me that look. You didn't make that. As you can see, the gingerbread house I made with a little bit of help. Miss Sin made.
Yes, thank you.
It is Christmas. And with Christmas, I have a slew of Christmas videos, and this is going to be the first one. And I'm finger crossed I can get them all done in time. But this is the first one. We're going to be going over part of the list that I got from my authorized OHLQ dealer, so we're going to be trying these drinks. Now with these drinks, I have no instruction. Not what they're served in, not if they're shaken, stirred, anything like that. So I'm just going to make it up. Just going to make it up and see where we go with it, because I don't know what else to do. So the first one is called the Kahlua Egg Nog. I love eggnog. I don't like Kahlua. So we're going to... Miss Sin's making a hell of a face back there. We're going to figure it out. So first, we're going to need 1 ounce of Kahlua, 4 ounces of eggnog, and a pinch of nutmeg. Voila! All right. I'm going to assume these go in a shaker. So we're going to put them in a shaker. We're going to put these in a shaker. 1 ounce of Kahlua. Kahlua, definitely better than Bailey's if you're getting it from your store, personally. Bailey's is very sweet. Bailey's is super sweet to me. A pinch of nutmeg. Might seem like a pinch. And then 4 ounces. 4 ounces of eggnog. The bane of my existence. Oh, I got it first try. Beat that. Stupid eggnog. 4 ounces of this stuff. And if you're gonna do eggnog, make your own. Wink. Maybe a video in the future. Wink. There's 2, 4. Store-bought eggnog just doesn't do it for me. All right, so I was just enlightened that my little lights back here were causing issues with the camera, so we're shutting them off. All right, shaken, strained into a hurricane glass, because it's what Miss Sin thought eggnog would go into.
Just don't look fancy.
It don't matter. All right, let's give it a try. Tastes like eggnog. So it's pretty good. Eggnog gets significantly better once you add a bunch of alcohol in it. That had a shot of Kahlua, you know. I think we can improve it though. Let's throw it. Just another shot in there. Yeah, that's better. That's actually pretty tasty. It tastes like eggnog. You can't even tell the Kahlua's in it. I should have said the nutmeg doesn't come through at all in this. But Miss Sin took a sip. She hates eggnog. Miss Sin took a sip and she said, "Why is it spicy?" It's not. It's not spicy at all. I think this is very good. Do you have a pen back there before I drink this whole thing? That's a bad way to start one of these videos, by the way. And I'm going to write down the score next to them. I would get... That one was tasty. Give it a 7 out of 10. Next, this one is called the Gingerbread Man. I've seen a few variations of this doing research for the video I'm going to shoot, the video that will be up next week. So this one looks like it's a shot. 25 ounces each. So we're just gonna do it. Everything you see in front of you. It calls for cinnamon schnapps. I didn't have it. I think this is better anyway. The Jim Beam. So this is only half. All right, we'll just double up on the Skippity PIP and deal with it. We'll make 2 shots of this. Or 1. Now, all the research I've done on this says a shot should be a 2-ounce pour of something. But all 4 of these ingredients come out to 1 ounce. So am I wrong on that? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Ooh. Whew. That Jim Beam is aromatic. All right, we get our ice. I don't have any of my fancy ice made right now. Oh well. Very loud cinnamon. The butterscotch is in there, but that cinnamon is very strong. It kind of overpowers the drink. I get it, but we'll let Missin try, see what you think. Why is it spicy? Her conclusion for this one is, why is it spicy?
They're all spicy.
You know, I was just thinking we didn't get a picture of the last one, but I don't think it matters because they're all looking the same. So 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. Yeah, we'll give this one a 4. Apparently, I forgot to say what was in this one. Thank you, Miss Sin, for waiting till I was done to let me know. Called for cinnamon schnapps. Use Jim Beam cinnamon, Paramount, the good butterscotch schnapps, Bailey's, and then vodka. It's called the candy cane drink. 1 can of lemon lime soda. We're going to top the drink off with lemon lime. We'll set that to the side. Half and half, creme de cacao, does not specify dark or light. Grenadine, peppermint schnapps. Shake built in the glass? Again, it doesn't say. We're going to build this one in the glass. Well, if it's half and half, I would think shake it. So we're going to do 1 ounce of heavy cream. Yeah. Spilling stuff, because it's what we do. That is what we do here. 3/4 of an ounce of creme de cacao. 3/4 ounce peppermint schnapps. 3/4 ounce of grenadine. That's a lot. Grenadine is a very iffy one, in my opinion, but again, that's just me. All of these are built to taste based on how you like it. Ooh, pretty color. It's not telling me what it wants. Like, I feel like this is something I could just pour straight in, so that's what I'm gonna do. We're just going to top it off with a little bit of lemon lime soda. Maybe a little too much. Wow. 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 Try that. It tastes almost like a minty cherry cordial.
Tastes like fruit.
I'll give this one an 8.
Why does it taste like fruit to me?
I'll give that one an 8 out of 10.
It's pretty good.
This next one is called the Chili Willy, and this ingredient list does not look great. We're gonna do it anyway. So we need 1 ounce pineapple juice. There we go. 1 ounce pineapple juice. 1 ounce OJ. 1 ounce coconut rum. Oh my God, open. An ounce of melon liqueur. And an ounce of peach schnapps. A little heavy on the schnapps, but doesn't matter. That's okay. That's okay. Well, that's an interesting looking concoction. I forgot to get a serving glass. I know how people shake like this. This is a very odd way to shake. Like this just feels natural. I don't know. Strainer. No, it just tasted. That's terrible. That's terrible. And it's a big mess. You try it.
I know it's gonna be terrible. It's got Malibu in it. And that green shit, I don't like that either.
Midori is very good.
I don't like that. Ew.
2 out of
Why
10.
is that Christmas?
2 out of 10. It tastes like a shitty Tokyo tea without any of the alcohol in it. So it just tastes like
Not Christmas.
coconut. 1 out of 10. 0 out of 10 because of the cleanup. All right, this one is called the sugar cookie. 1 part Drambuie, 2 part butterscotch schnapps, 3 part Irish cream. So part will be substituted 4 ounces, and we're gonna go 2 ounces Irish cream. Bailey's in this case. 1 part butterscotch schnapps. Just making messes all over the place here. And a 1/2 part Drambuie. Stir it, I assume. It doesn't smell very Christmassy. Whoever came up with this list should be fired. These are some bad drinks. Except the first one, that was pretty good. Oh, right in my nose. Drambuie has no place in this. 2 out of 10. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
No? Yeah, Drambuie has no place in this drink. It overpowers everything. If it was just the butterscotch and the Irish cream, maybe. But yeah, no. And for this last one, I cannot make it because I took the Amaretto to my mom's house. So we just can't do that one. But let's cover what we did do. The Kahlua Egg Nog, the Gingerbread Man, the Candy Cane Drink, the Chili Willy, and the Sugar Cookie. Ranked highest to lowest, the Candy Cane, the Eggnog, the Gingerbread Man, the Sugar Cookie, and the Chili Willy coming in at a 0 out of 10. Not only because the drink tasted bad, but because I had to clean up my entire bar is sticky. OHLQ, do better. Ugh. These are terrible. The only one I ever might make again is the Eggnog. That's it. And maybe the Candy Cane Drink. Probably the Candy Cane Drink, actually. But guys, if you like this one, please stick around. I have more Christmas ideas, and hopefully I'll get to film with the ingredients on hand. Thank you for watching. Please do all that stuff YouTube enjoys, and I'll see you all in the next one.